Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to import images in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Adobe InDesign software, then create a page. Now I import an image in this page. At first, I have to select this file menu. Then you can see here are place option. Now simply just click this place option. Now find your image location and select this image. Then press open. Now draw your image size to insert it. Now click outside of this image. Now you can see I import an image in Adobe InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.